Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well today. Welcome to the demo of VidCentric Whitelabel. Offering you 5 different tested apps, for one low price including resell rights, so that you can sell all the 5 apps, as a custom service to your customers under your name and your own brand, and keep 100% of the profits. This is the dashboard right here. And you can obviously customize your profile here on the bottom right side. You can check out the training and support, but the best part is these 5 in-demand software apps included inside the VidCentric Whitelabel. Here you can access and manage all 5 apps, with Whitelabel functionality from one dashboard. People are looking for alternate ways to make money. So offering software that people can use for an online business is a massive opportunity. Unfortunately, creating your own software can be really complicated. You have to come up with an idea for a software tool that people will actually want to buy. Once your software is ready, you'll need to do testing and fixing bugs. That's a lot of money you need to spend. You also need to create sales funnels and a way to get traffic. It's expensive and time-consuming to get all this stuff done. And all of these 5 apps can be full managed from here. Click the button Login to access to each app. You can also manage the Whitelabel by clicking the Whitelabel button. As you can see here, you can add your own organization brand name, and change the theme color, logo and favicon. And then also you're going to be able to set up your own subdomain right here, and if you want to, you can even set up your own custom domain. VidCentric Whitelabel offering you 5 different tested apps, for one low price including resell rights, so that you can sell all the 5 apps, as a custom service to your customers under your name and your own brand, and keep 100% of the profits. We offer you bonuses, training videos, and support your URL as well. Let's start with the Video Funnels Creation app. This is a tool that allows you to start asynchronous video conversations with respondents. It's a simple and effective way to get closer to your audience. Record a video straight from your phone or computer, share the link, then wait for the answers to roll in. On the left side of the menu we have the dashboard, where you can come back to the entire intuitive dashboard. Campaigns, where you can quickly create personalized video funnel. Next, on the left side of the menu, you can access your contacts and your actual emails. If you look here, this gives you the ability to manage teams right inside the dashboard. Then you have the integrations feature that lets you integrate with popular email marketing tools and payment processors. But the best part is Whitelabel and Reseller. As you can see here, we have an overview tab. You can add your own organization brand name and change the theme color, logo and favicon. And then also you're going to be able to set up your own subdomain right here, and if you want to, you can even set up your own custom domain. The next app is Video Pages Creation app. This is the fastest growing video follow-up solution in the world. Set yourself apart from the competition and deliver the most unique experience your customer has ever seen. The Video Pages Creation app is your virtual solution to introducing yourself and your services in the most genuine way. You can easily bridge the gap between your offer and your customers. The app helps you to create a sales video page that helps you create real, human relationships with your customer so that you can build trust and close deals. Next, we have the right solution for your young and brave business. Sure, you can work on a HTML email template as long as you want. You may attach images or GIFs, but your email app would generally treat a video as an attachment, making your email too heavy to send. You can also record a video, upload to Vimeo or YouTube and email it out, but most of your contacts are not going to see it. The Video Emails Creation app overcomes all these obstacles with an email online editor. You can record video, and then the video will be directly sent to an email that will show a thumbnail and a play button. Don't worry about your email size. The video is hosted in the cloud. The Video Emails Creation app include features such as campaign scheduling and tracking, and the ability to upload email lists. We offer you over 100 done-for-you responsive email templates. The set contains all responsive and no-code email templates to help you take your email campaign off the ground. It's just a matter of choose, edit, and send. The Video Emails Creation App email templates are made for businesses of all sizes, big and small. The templates can be used for campaigns of any size, so anybody in need of a quick way of getting their email campaign off the ground can use it with zero coding skills. Here you can manage your white label, you can add your own organization brand name, and change the theme color, logo, and favicon. And then also you're going to be able to set up your own subdomain right here, and if you want to, you can even set up your own custom domain. Then we have interactive video creation app to create the perfect viewing experience by including text, images, annotations, opt-in form and more in your videos. You can also add chapters to longer videos, so viewers can immediately jump to the content they most want to watch. And drive traffic to your sales page by placing a powerful call to action button right within your marketing videos, so you can convert more prospects to clients. This is the interactive video creation white label. It's the same as other app. You can add your own brand name, logo, subdomain, or even your SMTP settings. Next we have Video Course Creation app. This is one of the best all-in-one video courses creating suits, which is used to create and sell online video courses. With the help of this tool you can easily manage, customize, track and brand your personal courses. This tool is loaded with multi-advanced functionalities to make your all work super easy, so that you can put your attention and time to your other works, instead of creating and managing your video courses. Attract students with a professional sales page. Easily create a beautiful sales page for your course that'll turn your prospects into paying students, with no coding necessary. Course Empire Pages makes it easy to get your sales page up and running fast with its intuitive, customizable template. Choose the layout, headline, font, images, colors, video, and more for your sales page, enjoying complete creative control over its appearance. And finally we have Video Course Creation White Label, the great future. The best part is that you can scale this business to 6 figures, or as big as you want. And there's no need to worry about competition, as each and every product will have its own unique and original brand name and domain designated by you. This will cancel